The curtsey squat is a great exercise for your glutes and your outer thighs. So you're going to start with your feet hip width apart and then step your right leg back and behind your left leg like you're doing a curtsey. Keep your chest up and your core tight. So you lower your hips down, bending both knees until your front thigh is nearly parallel to the floor. And you want to drive through that front heel to push back up to the starting position. This example I'm showing you here is with a barbell. So if you're in the gym, you can use one of their lighter barbells and you want to rest it on the back of your shoulders. Make sure that you don't go too heavy until you've got this movement down pat. It's really more about the form than it is about the weight. And use your breath to drive you back up to a standing position. So you can also use a pair of dumbbells to do the curtsey squats. You want to rest them on your shoulders. Try and keep your shoulders not necessarily relaxed, but just don't arch your shoulders. The shoulders stay relaxed while this is a lower body movement. So you want to again inhale as you lower yourself down, exhale as you drive back up through that heel. And you want to try where possible not to let that front knee go too far over the front toe. Squeeze the glutes as you come back up to a standing position.